Hey wing lovers, are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will take your taste buds to new heights? Today, we're diving into the world of crispy, mouth-watering chicken wings, Disney Pixar style. Whether you're hosting a game night, a family gathering, or just craving some delicious comfort food, this recipe is sure to be a hit. Want to know the secret to perfect crispy wings? It's all about the right combination of ingredients and cooking techniques. So let's get started and unlock the magic behind these irresistible wings. First things first, grab a pound of chicken wings and toss them in a big bowl. Make sure the wings are fresh and of good quality, as this will make a big difference in the final result. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil on top and give them a good mix. The oil helps the wings get that perfect crispy texture while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Now set those bad boys aside for a moment. This gives the oil a chance to really soak into the wings, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. In another bowl, mix together half a cup of all-purpose flour. This is the base of our breading mixture, which will give the wings that delightful crunch. Add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. This spice adds a subtle smokiness that elevates the flavor profile of the wings. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic brings a savory depth to the wings that is simply irresistible. Don't forget half a teaspoon of kosher salt and some crushed peppercorn. These seasonings enhance the overall taste, making each bite a burst of flavor. Give it a good stir. Make sure all the spices are evenly distributed throughout the flour mixture. This ensures that every wing gets an even coating of deliciousness. Dip each oiled wing into this magic mix, making sure they're all nicely coated. The flour mixture will stick to the oil, creating a perfect breading that will crisp up beautifully in the air fryer. Take your time with this step. Ensure each wing is thoroughly coated for maximum crunchiness. Place them in a single layer in your air fryer basket. It's important not to overcrowd the basket, as this allows the hot air to circulate evenly around each wing, ensuring they cook uniformly. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Preheating is crucial as it ensures the wings start cooking immediately, locking in the juices and creating that crispy exterior we all love. Pop the wings in and cook for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Flipping the wings ensures they cook evenly on all sides, giving you that perfect golden brown finish. Use a meat thermometer to make sure they're cooked to perfection at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is essential for food safety and guarantees that your wings are cooked through without being dry. And there you have it, folks. Crispy, delicious air fryer chicken wings. These wings are perfect for any occasion and are sure to impress your friends and family. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty treats. Happy cooking! Remember, the key to great cooking is experimenting and having fun in the kitchen. So, go ahead and try different seasonings and sauces to make this recipe your own. Enjoy your crispy wings and happy eating.